Hello, sir. Are you Muslim, sir? Please come here, sir.
No, you target weak people.
Are you a weak person?
No, I'm not. You weak.
Well, are you a weak person?
You targeting weak people.
Are you a weak person?
You are targeting weak.
So you are my target now. Are you a weak person?
I don't understand you.
Excuse me, sir. You are accusing me that I target weak people.
Yeah, shall I get-
I'm asking you,
shall I get Brother Hijab
are
for
you a weak Muslim?
Shall I get brother hijab for you?
Are you saying you are weak?
No, you are weak.
Are you weak?
No, you are weak.
You said my targets are weak.
Weak.
Who are my targets? You.
You're targeting weak people. Like
Yeah,
you saw
so-
me and you jumped on
Yeah,
me.
so you are a weak
Shall I
man.
get someone
You
good
agree
for
that you are a weak man.
I am weak, yes.
Okay, that's good. At least you're honest.
I'm honest.
A weak
always.
man. So why did you come to Speaker's Corner?
Because I watched you always get like kind of
How old are you, sir? About 50s?
yeah, just about, yeah.
So you're in your 50s, yet you are a weak Muslim.
Yes.
Isn't that really bad?
Yeah. What do you mean?
You're following religion. How long have you been following Islam? From your childhood?
Yeah, from childhood.
So about 50 years.
Yes.
Yet you are weak man. That's really bad, isn't it?
I am weak, yes.
Yeah, that's really bad.
But better than you.
Good. So you're
because you have
look,
no-
choose one thing.
You-
Choose one second.
You
Look,
talk to me.
excuse me, sir.
Yeah, go on.
Choose one thing. Either you are better than me or you are weaker than me. Which one?
I'm better than you because I don't target
Good.
weak people.
If you are better than me, you are a good target.
Yeah.
So please stay focused right now. Why exactly do you think the Quran is from a supernatural source?
Because that's what revealed and intact in the original language, not unlike Christianity.
Listen to me carefully.
It's issued in Aramaic and now you change it to black and white in English.
Listen to me carefully.
No sense.
Did you understand the question? I can clarify.
English.
I can clarify the question to you. You know the book that I have here, the Quran. Why do you think why you think that the Quran is from a supernatural source? Why?
Okay, so I'm asking you the same question. Is your
Stay
Bible-
focused right now. Why do you
you go
think
back a
the
bit because
Quran
you're shouting?
is from supernatural source?
Can you go back a bit so I can speak to you? I know you.
Don't worry.
That's a show.
The question is simple. Why do you think the Quran is from a supernatural source?
Because Quran was revealed to our Prophet, peace be upon him, over 23 years, and it's memorized and passed on by scholars, and it's a chain of narration.
Look, you're giving me some
Passed on.
story. I'm not asking for your story.
Unlike your Paul, that 300 years later saw Jesus' vision, and he wrote a book. Never met Jesus.
Listen to me carefully.
And it's all in black and white in English.
Listen to me carefully.
Yes.
Yeah. I'm not asking you to tell me a story of how Islam began. I know the story. Maybe better than you. Who knows? So I'm not looking for you to reiterate the story. I am looking for you to give me a reason.
How much
Why
got
do
for
you
this
think?
show today?
Please stay
How much
focused.
you got for this show?
Why do you think the Quran is from a supernatural source? Give me a reason. Don't give me a story. Stories will put me to sleep.
Already.
Story will put me to sleep.
not a
I want a reason. Give me a reason.
I'm not a scholar, and I gave you the reason already. It's issued.
Giving me a story is not the same as giving me a reason. Okay, let's for a moment assume the story somewhere, the story that you gave me somewhere has the reason. Assume for a moment. Let me ask you, do you know where the story of how Islam began comes from? Do you know?
Why do I need to know where Islam comes from?
Well, that's exactly what I'm asking.
My Quran is telling me every single question is logical. I believe in that.
So the story you
That's
gave
enough
me, is that in the Quran?
This guy passed these on to the Christian church.
Stay focused.
Christian church, you get paid for this. And believe me, Christianity is dying.
Are you happy?
0% left in Christian church because they're not following the Jesus.
Are you happy with the ad break? Now let's get back to the
No,
question.
I'm not.
Let's get back to the
You're
question.
selling this.
Why?
He's just a showman.
Do you know?
He's spoke to Brother Abbas and he's been ripped
Sure.
apart.
Stay
So,
focused right now.
He's
Do
only
you
there for
know?
money.
Do you know the story you gave me? Do you know where that comes from? Do you know?
No.
In other words,
What story? What are you talking about?
you told me about Muhammad receiving revelation and passing down and so
I
on.
never mentioned the revelation. Now you know the
So
story.
the story,
but you're asking me.
the story you gave me, where does that come
I
from?
don't need to tell you the story. I don't want.
Where
you to
does the
talk to
story
people.
come from?
You know, you talk
Excuse
about
me,
your
can
own
you answer
Bible.
the question
When
or
you
not?
talk about Bible,
Where does the story come from? If you don't know, just tell me you don't know. That's fine.
come from a illiterate man that angel revealed the message up.
Name the source. Name the historical resource. Where does the story come from? Name a book.
No,
please.
If you're asking me all these questions, let me ask you the question.
No, stay
Has your
focused
Bible
right now.
come through?
Answer, and then
Has
I'll
your
come back.
Bible come through? No
I
genuine
will.
narration.
I will answer.
Come from
But
300
now,
years
but
later,
now,
Paul.
excuse me, sir. Are you? Look, stay focused. You and I
back
are
a bit,
at
'cause
yeah,
you're
sure.
shouting.
You and I are at speaker's corner. All your defensive lying, you can keep away. Now stay focused. The question is simple. I asked you initially. Remember, I asked you why you think this is from a supernatural source, and you told me you gave us an answer, some sort of a weird story. That's what you gave me.
Of course, you call it weird story.
Yeah, of course. Now, and that is where I want to
30% of people
stay
in the
focused.
church,
Excuse me.
70 is empty.
Excuse me, sir. Are you confused? Are you confused?
I'm inviting you to Islam.
Look, you appear very confused.
I'm inviting you to
I
Islam.
ask simple question.
Forget Christianity. It's got nothing left.
So
in
you want
it.
me to come to where?
Christianity said women
What,
should
you're
wear.
inviting me to what?
Women should wear their cover when they go to church.
You are inviting
In
me to what?
Corinthians 10 to 11.
Excuse me, sir.
It
You are
said women
inviting
should
me
cover
to
that.
what?
Is your women's cover their head?
What are you inviting me to?
church? None.
What are you inviting me to?
It's, what I'm inviting you. Invite me to. I'm
Oh,
saying
you're
talk about your
confused.
Christianity.
Terribly confused.
Talked about your
What are you
Christianity.
inviting me to?
Talking about your Christianity.
What are you inviting me to?
What inviting you to?
You said you are inviting me somewhere. Where are
Inviting
you?
to Islam.
Ah, good. Now you remember. That's good. So you are inviting me to Islam. So please give me a reason. If you are inviting me to Islam, I'd like to know if this comes from a supernatural source,
It's the chain
and
of
that is
narration.
good. Give me the chain of narration. Give me the earliest historical resource that
Yes,
testifies
this guy
to
have
a chain of
nothing
narration.
Except this question
Listen,
all the time.
listen.
Learn some knowledge, man.
Give
You don't
me,
know what you're talking
name
about.
the
Every day you ask the
earliest,
same question.
excuse me, sir,
We-
name the earliest
Women
historical
should cover
resource
their heads.
that
Women
gives
should
you
cover
the
their heads.
detail
Christianity's
about
dying.
the chain of narration.
Women, look, no, women's not like women's just wearing nothing on.
Are you listening? The chain of narration, give me the earliest historical source for that chain of narration.
You don't have none. I've got full narration.
I'm asking
I've
you.
Full chain.
Yeah. What is the earliest historical resource?
I've asked for you. He's knowledgeable.
Do you know, don't you know?
It's my first day here.
Do you know or don't you know?
And I watched you.
In other words, you haven't got a clue.
Same question just to get fed.
No
By
problem.
your Christian
Sure.
church.
In other words, your propaganda doesn't work.
Can I say something? One
What
day
we
you'll
do
get
know,
sacked
excuse me,
for
my
this,
friend.
yeah? 'Cause-
One second. What we can agree on right now, before you go and fetch your Abbas, what we can agree on.
can't talk to anyone.
Listen, please listen.
No one's talking
Excuse me,
in
sir.
this.
Please listen. Please listen.
10 cameras.
Don't put Muslims to shame. Please don't. Stay focused.
I put shame.
You are putting them to
You
shame.
put Christian to shame. One
Please stay
question
focused.
For the rest of the year.
Before you go to fetch Abbas, at the least, can we agree that you are clueless? Can we agree on that?
I'm clueless against
Questions.
You asked to so many people. No one talked to you in the speaker corner.
But did you give me an answer to the question?
What question?
All the questions I've asked.
I already answered that last time.
Name the earliest historical resource that tells you that there is a chain of narration. Name the earliest.
It's already given to you. Why are you asking that same question?
I'm
to
asking
me?
you. Do you know?
I don't know because I'm
Clearly,
not
that's
scholar.
good. That's good.
I'm not scholar.
You haven't got a clue.
I'm not
That's
like
fine.
you.
Now go fetch Abbas. Now I know you haven't got a clue.
No one's talked to you.
Excuse me, sir.
No one's
You are
talked to you.
clueless. You agreed.
No one talked to you.
You should have done that 20 minutes ago. Now go fetch
No
Abbas.
one talked to you.
Please go fetch
No one
Abbas.
talked to you
Excuse me,
this
sir.
question.
Please go
You're
fetch
clueless,
Abbas.
Man, one question you
Look.
go for the whole year.
Don't
Learn
worry.
some more.
It's all on camera. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The number of questions I asked,
Christianity is
we'll
dying.
highlight. Don't worry.
Clearly.
Don't worry.
Christianity
I'll
is
highlight
dying.
all the questions I asked. Excuse me, sir.
Of course. What quality?
One second.
Just been to a
Excuse me,
church.
sir. One second. Stay focused here. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Please. One second. Jason, one second. So, one second. Jason, one second. Excuse me, sir. Please go. Please, would you like to go fetch Abbas? Okay.
Oh my God.
Jason, one second. Could you fetch Abbas? Come here, please.
Yeah,
Fetch Abbas. You are clueless. Please fetch Abbas. Excuse me, sir. You are clueless. Please go fetch Abbas. Don't waste our time.
Listen,
Please
money for
don't
money
waste
for.
our
These
time.
guys get paid.
70 years old, clueless. 80 years.
Just listen.
You're going to be 80 soon,
None
yet
of your words
clueless.
influence
Please
the
go
people
fetch
because the way
Abbas.
you
Look,
think.
You're going to be 90 right now. Please go fetch a bus.
Bring money. Stop
Please fetch a
fetching
bus. Fetch a bus. Bring him here. Tell him you are in serious trouble. Tell him before your 90th birthday, he should come here.
For the last 5 years.
Excuse me, sir.
Same question.
Look at him. 90 years old. No, seriously, 90 years. He looks a little bit young, but he's 90, he's 90 years old. You're 90 years old, aren't you? I asked.
He dyes his beard, so it's difficult to tell. You see the grey.
But I was joking. Not 90, only 70. But what he said was, he said he is clueless. He said he is a weak Muslim and he needs to bring Abbas. Please bring Abbas, please. Go, please. Don't waste time. Excuse me, sir. Please don't waste time. Please go.
Question. 5 cameras.
Excuse me, sir. Please listen to me. Don't waste time. Bring Abbas. Abbas, I know he won't come also. Abbas, the rocket scientist. Yeah, the rocket scientist. Abbas. In English, maybe Abbas. Abbas, if anyone knows Abbas, he claims to be a rocket scientist, but he shows up at Speaker's Corner because
One word you see where the
they realized, hey, stay away. Because of you, all our rocket launches are failing. Stay away. So that's why he shows up here at Speaker's Corner. Please go fetch him, please. Please go, please.
How many
Look.
conversion you
Your
have in
stress
this-
is showing up
How
there.
many conversion you have in
Look
this
at the stress.
Zero.
Please focus the camera on his bottle. Look at the level of stress. Look at the level of stress that he goes through. Can you imagine? Look, I am a Christian. Look at me. Look at the gentleman here. He is holding a bottle. He is perfectly fine. Why? Because he is not stressed.
This was here.
Look
when
at him.
The day I entered.
He is squeezing everything. Why? So stressed. Not good. Not good. Before you have your next beard trimming, please, and become a better Muslim, please bring Abbas.
Beard trimming.
Yeah, please. Bring Abbas, please.